Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your request is pending error on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead and open up your Instagram app. And when you are doing a rapid following, for example, this is the on it, and then you go to the following list. So you have this account and you are doing a rapid following. You are tapping on follow rapidly, and one constant rapid step makes the error come on Instagram. You have to stop, wait for a while, and then again start, or simply go back and remove your app and then reopen your Instagram app. That will solve it out as well. If it does not, simply you have to check your network connection as well, because that can be the problem sometimes. Go ahead, check your network connection. If it's not working, simply switch to another one. Right, once you do that, it should work out perfectly. If that still doesn't help, go ahead, log your account out and re-log in, and that should also help you out with the whatever problems occurring in your mobile phone. Next thing you can do is you can simply go ahead, check out if your app is updated or not, because if your app is not updated, that can also sometimes cause the problem. So go to your app store or play store, type in Instagram, and check out whether your app needs an update or not. If it does, go ahead, tap on your app, tap on update right here instead of open, and then you're good to go. That's all you need to do to fix it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.